Hey y'all, it's Ned.
This is Michelle.
We are MyPhilippineDreams.com. The hot weather has returned in force to Dumaguete. So we took an extended siesta today. It's around 4:30 now, and we're going to head off for a little road trip. One of the things I enjoy doing is just going for little bike excursions on the outskirts of the city. It's kind of like provincial areas back there, and we're going to check it out, so come along. Alright, so this area is up behind Upper Kamanhak. It's right to the west of Dumaguete. Some nice houses are going up back here. Looks like the same people that catered Peter's thing is catering this. Yeah, it is. It's the same place. Same bunting. Up towards the left is Mount Salinas. The mountains are back there. And here's a real treat for all our viewers. Coming up here to the right is the waste sewage system, Dumaguete. Sewage treatment plant, yeah. Hey, what's up? Alright, we gotta stop here. Alright, now we're on this big steel bridge. Over there is actually Sibulan. Over here is actually Dumaguete. This is the border between Dumaguete and Sibulan. And this right here is basically the giant floodplain. When we get heavy rains here in the Philippines, it all goes up to the mountains up yonder, comes rushing down, and it gets channeled through here. It's pretty low right now, as you can see, even though we've had a lot of rain these past week. But you can see they got the concrete barriers on the side. There's a lot of cool land, and there's a lot of lots back here. The only problem is the flooding. Every year, thousands, if not tens of thousands, of people in Southeast Asia are killed by flooding because it happens really fast, it happens really abruptly. There's usually very little warning. And you can see people down there taking baths, washing clothes. Water's always the lifeblood. But this is a really cool area. I like this. And there's some dogs there rolling tires. You give dogs, look at them, oh god. Come on, roll the tire, man. Oh, they're shy. If you give kids a tire and a place to roll it, they can have fun for hours. So anyways, this is the, I like this area. This is a cool place to come up early in the morning, taking rides, going out back here, just exploring it, going down dirt roads and whatnot. I love this. All right. Kumusta? On the left here is a school run by foreigners. I don't know the name of it. The sign has seen better days, but I've gone by a couple times and seen some foreign teachers and some kids running around. Like I said, I really like this area. This is a great place to go for a ride. in the evening, in the morning. There's usually carabao. Is he in the water? He is? Oh yeah, there's a carabao in the water. We need to get him. We'll get him on the way back. Oh shit. We're in mud. I'm trying to remember the way. Oh well, we'll figure it out. Looks like this was recently graded. Probably after the rain. No, this is the wrong way. Still pretty nice though, huh? Got a little valley here. Giant stand of bamboo indicating good soil. Yeah, a lot of sugar cane. Yeah, a lot of it. There's all sugar cane. When you go to the west isle, the west side of Negros, north and west is just giant, massive fields. They call it what? Sugar Island, right? Nice valley again. If it, they got the flooding problem here, but this is literally like 5 minutes from Dumaguete, and we went the wrong way, as usual. Follow our misadventures. Subscribe now. Alright, we're now on Lost. Found the way. Follow our misadventures. Click here to subscribe. That was cool to see it as a little church. Chillin' like villains. Carabao look like prehistoric cows. Mangoes. Lots of mangoes. Nice house. Yeah, they look like prehistoric cows. Oh, hold on. How's your butt? There we go. There's a Ford F-150 of the Philippines. A lot of bamboo here. Hello, doggy. Because if you're drinking and driving on this road, and you're speeding some bad things can happen. As you can see.
Scary.
This is the, this is basically, there was Tropical Storm Sendong that came through. How many years ago, Michelle? 2011, Sendong. Sendong came through. This was a massive, this was a big concrete bridge. You can see, you know, the neck support over there, and it went all the way over to the other side. And Sendong, there was a dam further up, and the dam burst. Valencia, those areas got flooded pretty bad. Anyways, the waters came down so heavy, so strong, that it basically just demolished this bridge. Concrete and steel. And you can see a guy's built his house here. We're actually like in his backyard. So yeah, this isn't a road that you want to be speeding on if you don't know it, because it could end quite badly. And they got the little footbridge here, and they got another bunch of boulders that they cross over there. And the city didn't even bother rebuilding this. Alright, so that's our trip. Hope you enjoyed it. There's all these little magical places to go out and explore around the city of Dumaguete. This is Ned.
This is Michelle.
And we'll see you next time on My Philippine Dreams.